Welcome to iRender. Did you know you can import Revit models directly into SketchUp and do far more with them than most people realize? In this video, we break down 5 powerful ways to enhance your Revit model using SketchUp, based on the official SketchUp walkthrough. Way 1. Create stunning presentation visuals. Turn raw Revit data into compelling visuals using ad location, 3D warehouse assets, and PBR materials. Position your model in its real-world setting, add people, trees, and vehicles for scale, then apply photorealistic materials. One model can produce daytime and nighttime scenes simply by swapping the sky dome, no rebuilding required. Way 2. Export animations for communication and construction. Create process animations showing construction sequencing, safety zones, and crane movements. Build detail fly-throughs for engineering zones and plant rooms. These serve as communication assets for site teams, subcontractors, and clients, especially valuable when spatial relationships are difficult to convey in 2D drawings. Way 3. Share the model and capture feedback in real time. You can now share a SketchUp model directly via a link, no license required for the recipient. They can navigate the model in their browser and leave comments pinned to specific geometry. This eliminates the round trip of exporting PDFs and trying to interpret which view a comment refers to. Way 4. Action feedback and rapidly iterate design options. Using SketchUp's push-pull and component tools, you can quickly test multiple layout options, assess clearances, and identify constraint conflicts visually, fire separation, maintenance access, before they become site problems. Design iteration that would take hours in Revit happens in SketchUp in minutes. Way 5. Produce clear 2D documentation in layout. Take views directly into layout to build dimensioned, annotated drawings linked to your live model. Overlay design constraints, reference Revit metadata, and present before and after comparisons. Layout can consolidate your visuals and documentation into one live, model-linked workflow, saving hours per project. 2 tools. 1 seamless workflow. Revit provides structural precision and BIM data. SketchUp provides design speed, visualization quality, and communication clarity. As your authorized SketchUp Gold Reseller, iRender can help you access the right subscription or walk you through the Revit importer on your own model. Visit iRender.co.za to get started.